Yeah. It's me again. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, yeah. Yeah. I see you. I see you. Can you see me? All right. Now, I gave you some work. Did you do it? Let me confirm. Now, during the last lesson, I gave you some work. And this is what I asked you to do. I told you to convert. We agreed that you're going to convert what? In fact, let me just write it here. So before even we start the work we are supposed to do today, I want to confirm if you did the 17/99. What did you get? It's very important that you make sure you do the assignment. 17/99, what do you get? Okay. Okay. So let us do it together. So in the interest of some of us who had a bit of a challenge. So 17/99, we agree is 0 point, because you cannot divide. In fact, let me create some more space right here. Let me create some more space. Let me create some space. 17. So we agree is 0. Okay. Here, then another 0 there. 99, that will be 1 because of 99. So if you subtract, you get 1. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 should be what? 8. 8 or 7? Remember, you have already carried 1 here, so this like 6. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. We agree is 7. Okay. So what is 710 divided by 99? 710 divided by 99. 710. Do you agree is 7? Because what do you get if you multiply by 7? If you do 99 divide, if you multiply by 7, 9 times 7, 9 times 7, 9 times 7. Yeah, 63. So 6. So we write 3 carry 6. 9 times 7 is 63. So plus 6, you get what? 63 plus 6, you get 69. So put what? So we say, so put 7 over there. So we have 693. So again we have 7. Then what do we get here? So this is 10 minus 3. We have 7. So this is 10 minus what? Remember, we already carried 1 here. So 10 minus 9, that will be 1. So you add a 0 there. So 170 divided by 99 is 1 because of 99. And then we have what? We have 71, 10. Again, it's repeating itself here. So again, so you notice we have 0.17171717171717. So the answer becomes 0.17171717, which can be represented as 0.17 with 17 we carry. So put a dot on top there. So this was the assignment. So mark your work, and if it is true that you got right, put an international tick. Put an international what? Tick. Now let's get to the work we're supposed to do today. Very interesting lesson we have today. All right. So today we are converting decimals into fractions. The other time we were working on fractions to to decimals. Now today is from decimals to fractions. So let's start with the simple one. Let's start with the simple one. Which one do we start with? 0.5. 0.5. Okay, let me put it this way. Put it this way. 0.5 recurring. Remember what we have said is the number which is recurring is you put a dot on that number, okay? So this is equivalent to 0.5555. Okay. So the first thing you do when you're converting this is you give this number a certain note. Let's say n is 0.5555. Now, if you multiply this number by 10, what do you get? You get 5.5555. If you multiply this number by 100, what do you get? So this is 10n, this is 100n, which will be 55.555. Continue. If you multiply this number by 1,000, you get 1, 2, 3, n is equals to 555 point, again, 5555. Now, I want you to look at this number. Remember, we are converting the decimals into fractions, so we want to eliminate the decimal part, okay? So the question is, which two numbers, in fact, let's put them, give them a number, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, okay? So which two can we combine and eliminate the decimal part? You can pick any, but it's advisable to pick the smallest, okay? So let's work with this. So if you pick 10, this 10n is 5.5555, and you pick n, which is 0.5555, and you subtract, what do you get? This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. 10 minus 1, 9n. So 9n is equals to 5. So you divide by 9 on both sides, you get what? N is equals to 5/9. And remember, this is was part of the assignment I had given you. So I'm hoping that you really did it nicely, because if you did it nicely, then this is the answer that you got. Now, if you got this as your answer, put an international tick. Okay? Now, let's go to the task number 2. Let's go to the task number 2. The task number 2. Task number 2. Now, should I do this one or not? In fact, let's agree. Let's agree this way. Let's put it this way, that let's agree that I don't do this one. And you know the reason why? Because it is what we have just started with. Okay? But in the interest of all of us. So, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it? No, I'll give it as an assignment. So I'll jump to task number 3, which is an interesting task, because remember we have agreed I don't do task 2 because I've already solved it when you are starting this lesson. So let's jump to task 3. So the task 3 is an interesting one, because you're supposed to convert excuse me, 0.319 recurring into a fraction. So the task is convert 0.319 recurring into a what? Into a fraction. Now, as you have agreed, the first thing you need to do is to simplify this. Let's put it this way. Open it up. Okay? So we say that n, in fact, let me just write it here, that n is equals to 0.319. Remember, when you have a dot on the first and the last one, it means all the numbers are recurring. So 319, 319, 319. As always, multiply by 10. What do you get? 3.19, 319, 319. So let's expand it further. 100n is equals to 31.9. 319. 319. Okay. Let's go a step further. Multiply by 1000 n is equals to 319.319. Now, as we agreed, so call it this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay. So, which two numbers can we combine and totally eliminate the fraction? Now, this is 319, this is 193, this is 931, this is 319. Excellent. So it would mean that this and this are perfect match. But let me write properly here. This is 1000. So if you put it this way, 1000 n is equals to 319.319, and then we pick this one. Remember, we have just compared the first three numbers: 319, 193, 931, 319. So 319, 319, 319, 319. Okay. So this is n is equals to 0.319. So let's subtract there. What do you get? Subtract. So this is 0.000000913 is equals to 999n. So therefore 999n is equals to 319 divided by 999 divided by 999. Super easy. 999 by 999, that cancels. Now, is there any number which we can divide here with? Any number? Any number? 319. Can you divide 319 by 3? Can you divide 319 by 4? Can you divide 319 by 11? Any number we can divide? 319? 319. Can you divide by 319 by 11 by the way? No. Now, if there is no other way, then we say, then n is equals to 319 divided by 999. Excellent. 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 Now, so it's very simple when you're changing decimals into fractions. All you need to do is first step, open the decimal up, then multiply by 10, 100, 1000, then focus on the first three numbers, and find out which numbers are matching. Okay? Which numbers are what? Which numbers are doing what? Are matching. Okay? And then you subtract the two numbers, and there we go. And there we are. And so some work, as always, some work. I've given some assignment. I've prepared some assignment. Remember, you need to do this assignment. This is your assignment. Remember what we have been saying. Remember what we have been saying. Remember what you have been saying. You have been saying that if you don't do your assignment, you end up here. Literally. Because it doesn't matter how much work you do, if you multiply that work by 0, what happens? If you multiply any number by 0, what do you get? What do you get? See you soon.